If you're still paying monthly for iCloud storage, let me say it clearly, you're renting your own memories. Every single month, another charge hits your card just to keep your photos and files on servers you don't own. And the worst part? If you ever stop paying, you risk losing access to everything. That's not an exaggeration. It's a carefully designed business model. The brutal truth is that cloud companies know you're going to run out of space. They sell you the device, then you quickly hit the storage wall. You start with 128 GB, it fills up with photos and videos, and suddenly you're forced to upgrade. Then comes the monthly subscription. At first it seems small, just a few dollars, but over time it turns into hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. But in 2026, there's a smarter way to handle this. Instead of renting forever, you can own your storage. Today we're talking about the top 4 network storage NAS devices in 2026. Devices that give you your own private cloud at home. No monthly fees, no forced limits, no fear of losing your data if you miss a payment. And as always, the links to all products are in the description, updated with the best prices, so make sure you use them. Let's start with the first device, the UGREEN NAS DH2300 2-bay desktop NASync. This device is built for beginners who want to move away from cloud storage without dealing with complicated setups. Imagine a small box in your home that can hold up to 60 TB of data, photos, videos, work files, automatic backups for all your devices, all stored in one place, under your control. Once it's set up, your phone, laptop, and tablet automatically back up just like iCloud. The difference? Your files live in your house, not in a remote data center. The system is simple, the interface is clean, and the AI photo organization helps you find any picture in seconds, and the price is around 5%, $199.999, a one-time payment instead of years of subscriptions. The second device is the Synology DS223, a well-known name in the NAS world. This one offers a more mature software ecosystem and powerful management tools. You can access your files from any device, securely share links, sync with services like Google Drive or Dropbox, and still maintain full ownership of your data. If you're looking for a balance between ease of use and professional-level features, this is a strong choice. It's great for advanced home users or small offices. Diskless 2-bay NAS that centralizes your files and photos at home, powered by Synology DSM apps. It's simple to set up, easy to use, and designed to keep your library organized, secure, and always within reach. Share and sync across everything: PC, Mac, Linux, Chromebook, iOS, Android, or just a browser. Invite family, send private links, and collaborate without juggling cables or drives. Back up your media library and documents with simple schedules, then expand into home surveillance with compatible IP cameras, all managed through DSM's friendly dashboards. The price is approximately $299.999. Third, now, if you need more power and you work with large video files or heavy projects, that's where the QNAP TS4648G US comes in, a compact 4-bay prosumer NAS built for speed and reliability. Intel Celeron quad-core with 8 gigs of DDR4, expandable storage, and creator-friendly I/O in a small footprint. Powering it is an Intel Celeron N5105 or N5095, quad-core up to 2.9 GHz, with 8 GB of DDR4 for smooth multitasking and lightweight containers. Dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports mean faster team shares and ingest to your multi-gig switch. Link them or keep separate subnets for workflow flexibility. 2 M2 NVMe Gen 3x2 slots add SSD cache or high-speed pools. Turn on caching and watch small file workflows get a serious boost. Multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 10 gigabit ports make ingest and expansion easy. Drop in SSD footage, archive, and keep moving. Scale to 72 terabytes raw across 4 bays, plus, for example, a 4 terabyte NVMe cache. Run QTS by default, or switch to QTS Hero for ZFS, data integrity, and Worm with QTS 5.2.1 and up. Remote access with My QNAP Cloud. Backups for Windows via NetBack and Mac via Time Machine. Price at recording $649.90. Diskless. Verdict: best value prosumer 4-bay for speed, dual 2.5 GBE, and the ZFS option. Ranked 4th, UGREEN NAS DXP4800, Plus, a 4-bay, small office-ready powerhouse. Think creator-grade performance with clean, modern design and quiet confidence. Inside, Intel Pentium Gold 8505, 5-core CPU, 8 gigs of DDR5, and a 128 gig SSD. Ports to match, 10 gig Ethernet, 2.5 gig Ethernet, dual M2 NVMe, and 4K HDMI for local output. Hook it to a multi-gig switch and fly. 10 GBE moves projects fast. Back up a 1 GB file in under a second and keep edits flowing without a hiccup. Software muscle. Run Docker containers. Spin up virtual machines, and manage a private cloud with advanced encryption and flexible permissions. Perfect for teams and studios. Scale your library. 4 bays up to 136 terabytes diskless, plus 2 M2 NVMe for cache. Cross-platform apps and smart TV access make collaboration simple. Price at recording, $619.99, diskless, 2-year warranty, and a full knowledge center. Verdict: best performance NAS for creators and SMBs who need 10 GBE speed and virtualization. Now let's talk about what really matters, the economics. When you're paying $10, $20, or even $60 per month for cloud storage, it doesn't seem like much at first, but over 3, 5, or 10 years, you'll realize you've spent thousands of dollars on space you never actually owned. A NAS device, on the other hand, is a one-time investment that works for you year after year. Does this mean cloud storage is always bad? Not necessarily, but if you're tired of the storage tax, tired of monthly bills, and tired of constantly managing space, owning your own private cloud might be the smartest move you make in 2026. In the end, the idea is simple. Stop renting your digital life, start owning it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we break down the tech that actually saves you money and gives you real value.